In this video, I will show you how to follow everyone on Threads from Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Threads on your device. And from here, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your profile. So if you click onto your profile icon, which is down here in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to take you across to your profile. Next, what you need to do is click on to this little picture of like a globe in the top left hand corner. And then from here, you're going to get some options. So what you want to do is click onto the one that says profiles you follow. And you want to make sure you're clicked onto following. So at the top, we got followers, following and pending. You want to click onto following and you're going to see a little bit of text underneath, which says see others you're following on Instagram that you aren't following on Threads yet. So next to that, it's going to say see all. So what you want to do is press on to see all. And this is going to bring up all the accounts you currently follow on Instagram. So to follow all of these accounts, if you look at the very bottom, there's going to be a button that says follow all. So what you want to do is press onto this. And what's going to happen, you're going to start following those who are public on Threads, and of course a request will be sent to those who are currently private. And you're automatically going to follow others when they join Threads. So if they don't currently have Threads, when they join, you're automatically going to follow them. All you need to do is press the confirm option here, and after a minute or two, it's just going to take a while to update. And you will see eventually this is going to come up with all of them, all the ones that are currently on Threads. So there's only one person at the moment that's on Threads. But of course, when others have got Threads, they will come up in your following list. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. And if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.